Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a quick video on my antique Philco radio I have. It's been in my family for probably 70 or more years. As you can see, it's in phenomenal shape, and it actually still works. It has AM is the broadcast. It has police and overseas. As you can see from the display there, it actually still works and plays music. Due to copyright, I won't actually put on any music on it, so my video doesn't get taken down. As you can hear, there's a little kitty behind me. I always put wood protectant on it. Be similar to like furniture polish every couple months, just to keep the shine up on it and to stop the wood and coating from drying out. Of the back of the radio with the old tubes, needs a little dusting. As you can see, it's on right now. You can see the light coming from the tubes. And the speaker. Got to be a proud Canadian. My grandfather put that sticker on there, who used to own this probably 30 some or more years ago. So it's a Philco radio. It's a chassis type 42, code 121, and it says it uses 55 watts. There's all the original writing on it. It's a nice little timepiece. It sits in my front hallway. It's one of those things I'll never get rid of. And when I'm not using it, I always unplug it. Gets used not very often. It might be on for half hour a year, but I do turn it on every once in a while to make sure everything's working. Anyways guys, just a short video on this little timepiece I have in my house. If anybody has any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you're interested in videos such as antiques, sailboats, automotive, a little bit about everything on my channel, you may want to consider subscribing, and make sure you turn on that notification button so you can get updated updates on when my new videos come out. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video and enjoy your day.